Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unlink a bank account from the Dave app using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Dave app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Settings at the top of your screen. Once you are on your Settings section, tap on Link Bank. This is where Dave shows all the bank account connected to your app. Find the bank you want to remove. Tap on the bank's name to open its detail. On the next screen, look for an option that says remove unlink or disconnect bank. Tap that option. It may show a warning message explaining that unlinking your bank could affect features like advance or automatic payments. Take a moment to read it. If you are sure you want to continue, tap confirm or yes unlink. The app will process your request for a few seconds. Once the bank is successfully removed, you will be taken back to the link account page and the bank will no longer appear on the list. And that's it. We have successfully unlinked a bank account from the Dave app using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.